as police break up a huge demonstration by Islamist activists in Dhaka. Malaysia's governing party holds off a strong election challenge to retain its decades-long grip on power.
For the sake of the nation, I hope all parties, and especially the opposition, can accept this result with an open heart.
I'm John Jason. I'll be taking a look at press reaction to that result in Malaysia.
Also in the programme, a new law in Libya to exclude officials from the Gaddafi era from holding office. In France, protests throughout François Hollande's year in office.
François Hollande said many things, but he did nothing. A year ago, we were full of hope. Now, nothing changed. Everything is getting worse.
And for the first time, sport for girls in some Saudi schools. That's all here on the newsroom from the BBC World Service.
BBC News with John Jason. Police in Bangladesh have used stun grenades and rubber bullets to disperse a huge demonstration by Islamist protesters in the capital Dhaka. Several 100,000 people took part in the demonstration by Islam, which is pushing for the implementation of its version of Islamic values. The government, which describes Bangladesh as a secular democracy, has rejected the demands. At least 7 people have died in clashes between protesters and the Bangladeshi security forces. Reports from Dhaka.
Thousands of police have been full right here. They are searching for Islamic activists who are hiding in the nearby buildings. The police officials are saying that they have now secured the place, but you can still hear the sounds of gunshots and stun grenades. Earlier, they moved in from all directions, and they asked the protesters, the demonstrators, where to find a place to leave. And when the deadline passed, they started using force. Thousands of people were seen fleeing the area.
The general election in Malaysia has been won by the governing National Front, the coalition that's been in power for more than half a century. Electoral commissions said there has been a record turnout of about 80%. The opposition leader Jaureguiberry has not yet accepted the result. Speaking at a news conference, he accused the election commission of complicity in what he called a fraudulent process.
Why the election commission give a satisfactory answer why this fraudulent process working for you all done and they were complicit to the crime.
The Hungarian Prime Minister Viktor Orban has condemned anti-Semitism at the opening of a meeting of the World Jewish Congress in Budapest. Mr. Orban acknowledged that anti-Semitism was on the rise in his country as a result of the economic crisis, but he made clear that it was unacceptable. The president of the World Jewish Congress, Robert Mueller, said Jews were again wondering if they were safe in Hungary following recent attacks and the activity of the far-right opposition party Jobbik. Libya has passed a law that will ban officials from the Gaddafi era from holding political office. A vote in the General National Congress came a week after militias supporting the law began besieging the Ministries of Justice and Foreign Affairs. Human rights groups say the law is too sweeping and vague. One after one reports from Tripoli.